Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Parc Jean-Drapeau, in Montreal, Quebec, is made up of two islands in the St. Lawrence River, Île Sainte-Hélène and Île Notre. These islands are just a short trip from downtown Montreal, but it feels like a whole different world when you're here. The park gets its name from Jean Drapeau, a former mayor of Montreal who had a big vision for the city. Île Notre, one of the park's islands, was actually man-made in the 1960s, using leftover materials from the construction of Montreal's Metro. In 1967, the park became famous as the site of Expo 67, a world fair that showcased cultures, innovations, and ideas from around the globe. One of the most memorable pieces from Expo 67 is the Biosphere, which still stands today. The Biosphere is one of the park's most iconic landmarks. This massive geodesic dome was originally built to represent the United States at Expo 67. It was designed by Buckminster Fuller, a visionary architect known for his futuristic ideas. The dome is a museum dedicated to the environment and sustainable development. The exhibits focus on topics like climate change, biodiversity, and protecting our planet. Beyond the Biosphere, Parc Jean-Drapeau has so much to offer. There are peaceful walking and biking trails, gardens full of flowers, and spots to relax by the river. In the summer, you can visit Jean d'Or Beach or take a swim in the outdoor pool. Île Notre is home to the Montreal Casino and Circuit Gilles Villeneuve, where Formula One races are held every year. The views of the St. Lawrence River are gorgeous, and you can even see the Montreal skyline in the distance. Thanks for joining us as we explore Parc Jean-Drapeau in Montreal, Quebec.
Thanks for watching!